In medical technology, years can lie between the idea and the finished product. And if an idea can be transferred to the finished product, often reveals itself only after the model can be grasped in form of a prototype. The first step, however, is the search for the right partner for the project, as Professor Jörg Feldhusen at the RWTH Aachen explained.
Projekte werden im Grunde genommen akquiriert, wie man es üblicherweise aus.
Projects are acquired just like in the industry. If an interesting topic exists and has a market, the next step is to find competent people that can participate in the project.
Als Menschen zu finden, die an dem Projekt beteiligt werden können.
Indispensable for the development phase, an interdisciplinary cooperation of different fields of study to solve arising problems immediately.
Wir arbeiten hier an der Universität Aachen unter anderem an einem Projekt gemeinsam mit.
At Aachen University, we are working at a project with doctors and electrical engineers for a lung that can be implemented. Here is the main body where the exchange of oxygen into the bloodstream takes place. The doctors came to us and asked if it is possible to shrink the device and improve the quality of life for the patients, as it is not possible to insert it into the body in this form. So the question was, how can we achieve this? Our mission was to optimize the component so far that it has a final size that is reasonable for the patient and can be implemented. But for that, we needed assistance. We integrated colleagues from textile engineering who optimized the fibers to allow a higher flow rate. So you need electricians, software specialists, and so forth. This quickly leads to the need to include other partners beyond the disciplinary borders.
Wir sehr schnell so weit waren, dass wir über Disziplingrenzen hinaus verschiedene Partner einziehen mussten.
Once the development has been so successful that a prototype can be produced, a computer reads out the data and the desired prototype is manufactured. One specialty for manufacturing medical devices are the legal requirements that must be followed.
Ja, die rechtlichen Vorgaben sind bei den Medizinern sehr gut hinterlegt.
The legal specifications are very well documented for doctors. Of course, we always ask legal experts. That is absolutely necessary. We have an in-house jurisprudence in Aachen that is always consulted before we take any steps. These are legal requirements, conditions that need to be complied before we can run tests on living cells, animals, or humans. That is a prerequisite and a standard here. Ultimately, we are trying to industrialize the whole process, but we have to run extensive tests before we are ready.
Aber bevor wir soweit sind, müssen umfangreiche Versuche gemacht werden.